Greetings, this is m squared, and we're going to determine if these functions are linear functions. So keep in mind, a linear function will have an x in it. It will never have any squared, square roots, cubes, x's in the denominator. It will just have an x. So when we go through, we see a y equals an x. That is linear. We'll circle the linear ones because there's an x. This one, 3, has an x in the denominator. Linear functions cannot have x's in the denominator. This one here has an x and a y. There's no squared, square roots. We're good. Has an x and a y. How about this one? There's a square root, but it doesn't have an x. There's a denominator, but it doesn't have an x. So although this looks a little weird, it is linear because it has an x and a y. Remember, this guy's a y. But it doesn't have any x's in the denominator or square roots with an x inside. So we're good. This one, that's pretty simple. It's got an x. That is linear. This one has an x and a y, but they're multiplied. That is a no-no. You cannot multiply an x and a y and still be linear. So that is not linear. This one has a square root and an x under the square root. No can do. That is not linear. This one just has an x. That one looks like this. So it is a line. Now, you'll have to ask your teacher whether they want to consider that a linear function. Because remember, your vertical line test is used to figure out if things are functions. And really, a vertical line is not a function. It is linear. It's a line. But they might not consider it a linear function. So we'll leave that one up for grabs. Ask your teacher about it. Good luck. M squared signing out.